Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So today I will be telling about how to draw the stairs, that is different staircases, how we can create. So let me go to the Revit Architecture and open the Revit Architecture. After opening the Revit Architecture, suppose I need to create one staircase. Then for that, let me do one thing. Let me delete this full plan in level 2 as well. I have to delete it. These are the various ceilings which I need to delete it because I have created in my previous video. So I have deleted everything, so nothing is now present. These are the various lights which I have created, so all I have deleted it. So now let me go to the level 1 and click on stairs. After clicking on stairs, you can see here there are the various kind of stairs. Suppose this is the stair. See, actual run with automatic landing, I have clicked it OK. Then this is the staircase, this is the straight stair. Suppose I will be creating one straight stair. Okay, so how many stairs are being present? Because here you can see here that top base level is level 1 and top level is level 2. It means that this staircase is created up to 10 feet height, because level 2 is, as you can see here from the north elevation, the level 2 is present at 10 meter height. So let me go again to the level 1 and go to this staircase, click it cancel, because if something is running, then you have to simply click on cancel. Then again click on staircase. See here level 1, as I have shown now, level 1 and level 2 is the top level. Desired number of staircase is 18. And what is the height here? Height of the riser as well as tread depth, everything is present here. Even you can change it. See here, as you can see here, 12 riser created, 5 remaining, then 4 remaining. So in this manner you can create it. Okay, so 18 riser created, 0 remaining. So let simply click on, simply left click it. See, this is how the stairs are being created. And after creating, click in this finish edit mode. After that, you need to go to the 3D view in order to check it, realistic view, and click on 3D. See, this is how. Uncheck this section box and you can check here how the staircase is being created. See, this is how the staircase is being created from level 1 to level 2. Okay, now again go to the level 1. Now click in the staircase again. As now I will try to create different type of staircase. Let me click in the same staircase, click it. See, 6 riser created. After creating the 6 riser, left click it. After that you have to rotate it. See, the portion where you will click it, from that portion it will get started. See, this one I have created. Again click it here, from here it will start. So this is how the staircase can be created. Let me show you another manner. This one I can finish it, I will finish off, but here I need to edit it. Simply go to this staircase, edit the path, and see, let me go to the 3D view. This one is what the staircase is created in this manner. See, this is the staircase created. Let me go again to the level 1 and try to create different staircase. Let me go to the staircase, again click in this, click it here. Now again create it, then move it in this manner. Simply click yes. Now 6 are being created. So you can go to the 3D view, you can see here. Again go to the level 1, click on stair, click run, and the same thing straight, then click it. After that click it here and click it again. After that see, in this manner you can create it, different type of. After that you click it finish command. After creating finish command, you can check, go to the 3D view and check it. See, this is the staircase which I have created. See, let me delete all the staircase now because it's creating confusion. Now again go to the stairs. Now I'll show you one different trick to create staircase. Simply click in the staircase, click it here. After clicking it here, make the center as either left or right in the direction in which you want to rotate. Suppose exterior support right, see, right. And after that, suppose this is how staircase is created, click it yes. Now go to the 3D view and check it. See in what manner it is created. Now again go to level 1 and click in the stairs. After that again click it here. Now first start with the, or suppose two walls are present, if you have to start from the wall's edge, then you can either place type on exterior support right or exterior support left. Suppose I will click on exterior support right. See, from the right side wall it is created. Now again from this wall it is created in this manner. Suppose I will click it here and I will click on the exterior support left. This is what left side. Then after that let me first create this stair. Now again I will go to the stair and click on this one and exterior support left, created. Now again created. So this is how in the left side it is now created. We can go to the 3D view. See, these are the various kind of walls which are created. So I hope it's clear to all of you. Finish it. Go to the level 1 and go to the 3D view. See, all are created. So this is how we can create stairs. Now let me go again to the stair and go to this full step spiral stair and click it here. After that you need to go to the level 1 and you need to create it. For that, again click on cancel, go to the staircase, click in the spiral staircase, click it here. See how many risers created, 18 risers created. From the point where I want to create, from that point I can create it. And this is what the diameter from the center. See, 18 riser created, 18 riser created. The more I will move away from the center, it will become straight. See, this has become straight. The more I will move near to the center, it will become spiral. See, this is how it looks like. Then after that you need to click in this finish edit mode and you can go to the 3D view. After going to the 3D view, you can check the staircase, completed staircase. See, this is what the staircase is being created. Now again go to the level 1, then click in staircase. After that you can click it here, L-shaped winder. Suppose I will start from here. See, if I click it in the right, see, this is what I have created. And all the desired you can change it from here. After that click in yes, the staircase will be created. After that you can go to the 3D view and you can check. This is what staircase is created. Let me delete all the staircase because it is creating confusion. So let me delete everything. Now again I will create different staircase. Let me go to stairs, create stairs, then click it in this U-shaped winder. See, I can create this U-shaped staircase. Click in yes. After that you can check in the 3D view how the staircase is being created. See, you can check in the 3D view how the staircase is created. See, this is the staircase which is created. Now again go to the level 1 and go to the stairs. Suppose you want to create staircase, then for that you can create the sketch here. For after clicking on create sketch, you can click on boundary, riser, start path. So click on boundary. Suppose I will create stairs from this one is one boundary, then this one is another boundary. Similarly another boundary is present at a distance of 4 feet. Suppose this is the one boundary. After that this is the another boundary I have created. Or I can do one thing, I can simply delete this line, these two lines, and I can use the offset command. Offset at 8 feet. See, at 8 feet. See, at 8 feet I have created. After that I can click in the riser and I can click it, one riser. Okay, this is one riser. After that I can use offset command and I can create it at a distance of suppose 1 feet. I need to create riser. Then see, this is how I can create. This is how we can even create staircase. Okay, after that if you will click, because here it is not completed, so in this manner you can even create. Let me do one thing, let me create a small sketch. Suppose this one is one line, then another line at an offset of 2 feet. After that you need to create the riser. So from here to here, one riser. After that offset of 1 feet. One feet is much more, 3 inch. See, as you can see here, 11 riser created, 12 riser created, 5 remaining, 13 created, 14 created, 15 created, 16 created. In this manner you can create your own staircase. 18 created, and after that you can click in this. So after going to the 3D view, you can check. This is how I have created the staircase. Okay, see. So in this manner you can create staircase. So I hope it's clear to all of you. So if there is any doubt in this staircase lecture, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like the video, then please press the like button, and thanks for watching my video, and please share as much as possible.